So it's me again. So I have so much sleep and kind of anxiety that my words are really being hard to talk this thoroughly. So excuse for that. And so I have this really cute crop top with me, and I thought why not get ready, click some pictures, and I'll show you guys the process on how I do it. So for now I'll just wash my face and wear the dress and come, and I'll show you guys how I what I do, how I do my hair, how I do my face, the my look to get nice picture sorry, that was not intentional. So get some cute pictures which you can put it as a profile picture, which I haven't probably removed in Facebook for like 1 year. That nice good pictures. If this is the only way that I can be happy and energetic again. So as you can see, my eyes have completely popped out. I haven't had proper sleep in like 2 to 3 days now. So I guess this will keep me going. I'm so excited to shoot this video. Now it's going to be 2 minutes. I'm gonna cut it now, and I'll see you guys after I am in the outfit. I'll just wash my face with a face wash or a soap, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, back again. So I wore my outfit and just detangled the hair to cut the length of the video in prior. I just washed my face with a face wash, nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna remove the earrings now because I think they'll get affected. So guys, the main video I'm doing a video while preparing my hair, which I'm going to iron with this Nova straightener I have, straightening my hair. So there are many facts out there about straightening your hair. If you are already straightening your hair, if you already have one, then great, but do get a heat protect serum. I have Streaks hair serum right here. I don't know if you all can see. Wait, okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so I have done this mistake before. I knew I am going to damage my hair by straightening my hair. I knew what I was getting into, but I did not know, trust me, when I say that I knew I was going to damage my hair, I knew it. I know it was going to be tough for a week or for a couple of days, but I did not know it would damage my hair so much that it actually did. So if you are planning to buy a straightener or to straighten your hair for the first time, be prepared, because your hair is going to fall out so much. I mean so much for the next at least 1 to 2 months. For me it did. So if you are planning to get a straight iron, one, be prepared for it. Either have a healthy hair. Now that nobody's got a healthy hair nowadays, I'll just suggest, guys, be prepared for it. If you don't want to buy a straight iron, just know that you are going to affect your hair. But if you are taking correct care according to that, and if you are doing correct after preparation and before preparation, like protecting your hair with the serum and all that. So I don't want my hair to be too straight. I want it to, but I know the effect. So I'm not waiting for it to for the light to go off. I know it's super hard. Yeah, it's super hot. So I'm just going to start now, and I'll cut the video. I'll just do 2 strokes and show you guys how I'm doing it, and then I'll cut the video. So I'm taking it right here, putting it right there, pressing it hardly, 1 stroke, 2 strokes, and you can completely see the difference between this and this. This is how straight your hair is going to look if you are not even waiting for it to be the maximum hot it can be, and only within 2 strikes. So you know how much heat you are going to give your hair, so prepare your hair further for it, I'll suggest. So now I'm going to do my rest of hair just like this, and I am cutting this video right now and will show you when I start preparing my face. So hey guys, this is my hair after straightening. I don't straight it too much, till the point my hair gets affected, because it does affect for me a lot. I know I'm going to face hair fall for a month now and I have to be prepared for it. But I wanted to get ready, so yeah, I'm doing it. So for my face, I usually before a year when I used to click pictures, I did not have any of these products because I did not think I would buy some. But now that I have, I am using, because why not? I have spent money on them, I will use them. Lakme Radiant compact powder. So compact powder is just like normal powder, but it will give you like a even shade all over your face. Dark spots will also get white kind of. All your skin will look the same color. But I would suggest don't order compact online, because you will not know what shade you are on, and that is going to be a big problem, because you will get a more whiter or darker shade than what your skin actually is, and that is going to be a very big problem. Now I don't want to get zoomed into the mirror again, sorry, camera again, so I bought my mirror along with me. And yeah, back to my specs. I can't live without my specs, as you guys know. So it just kind of gave a good smooth finish. I have this normal stickers which I'm going to use. I don't have anything fancy in here right now today. That is it, done. And for my eyes, I'm going to just apply eyeliner and kajal. So I love kajal. I would like to wear it every day, but it's not exactly possible. Also, let me know what other videos you want me to do. And for yesterday's video, I don't know how it got turned off, guys. The comment section, I did not put it to turn off, it automatically made. I have tried to edit many times, but it wasn't getting, so I left it there. And this is the real struggle without speech. Yeah, it was stupid of me that I thought I can put eyeliner. Wasting so much time on this. You can just skip ahead 10 seconds, because I don't know how to cut the video, guys. Yeah, great. The hardest part done. So this will be my eyes, and my for ears I have a couple of choices. I will try to figure out something. But for my lips, I actually do have this set of lip liners, which I actually do use as the actual lipstick, because I don't want to be heavy, because I have to take it off. I have so many shades right here, but I think this shade is going to suit well with my, okay, I cannot exactly show you, but well with my my dress. So yeah, I'll think I'll use this one, this shade. to do that too much because I have to remove it again, and I have a hard time removing that. Now that I'm not going anywhere, it's just for the picture, it's just for, you know, like 15 minutes or so, and I'm using a lip balm to protect it and give it a nice gloss. Yeah, that looks good enough for me. So that is it, guys. That's it for my pictures. I'm gonna go click some beautiful, very beautiful pictures. I think these gold ones will suit perfectly. These gold earrings which I'm going to wear. I have some other options which I'm going to twist, but for now I think, yeah, this will be my look. And this is how the, the I actually, okay, I have to move the camera. Yeah, so this is the, and I have my dupatta right over here, which will give me a finished look. Yeah, so I have to bend down. Yeah, it's okay, sorry about that, but this is my whole complete look, you guys. Comment down below and let me know how it was, and if you want me to do these videos more often. Bye.